Welcome to our Active Knowledge Bites. Today's Active Knowledge Bite is on the systems theory. Now, most organisations will have either a product or a service. These are the outputs of an organisation, also known as key deliverables. Now, to ensure that we get the outputs, we need to ensure we put the inputs in and transform them to deliver exactly what the company's mission is, what we say we're going to do. So let's have a look at the inputs of an ice cream factory. So the inputs of an ice cream factory would be some of the physical elements, which would be buildings and land. On top of some of the physical elements as well, you'd also need some of the raw materials. So you'd need the sugar, and you'd need the cream, and you'd need the milk. All the things that we need to bring in to make the ice cream. We also need people. Now this can be staff and it can be customers, because the customer's input is absolutely key to the output. What the customer wants is king. So this feedback loop here is incredibly important between the inputs and the outputs to ensure that we do deliver what we say we're going to do. And finally, one of the core inputs is going to be information. So the how to make the ice cream. Now, obviously the outputs here are going to be a little bit different because we've got all the materials, we will have transformed them, but what sort of outputs are we likely to get? Well, we'll get the ice cream, which is the main output. We'll get the delivery. We'll get the service. But also, we'll get some waste, won't we? So we'll have waste cartons, because obviously we put them in tubs, and we have the plastic spoons as well. So we're going to have some waste here. Now, we've got the inputs and we've got the outputs. The transformation process is really quite simple. It's the processes, the procedures, the training, and even the delegation. So this is exactly how you transform the inputs to ensure that you get the outputs. And there we have the general systems theory. Thank you for watching our Active Knowledge Bites.